Today we are going to make delicious croissants. First, make a yeast mix by mixing 6 grams of active dry yeast with 130 grams of water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Mix 250 grams of bread flour, 30 grams of sugar. Add the yeast mixture, an egg yolk, and 5 grams of fine sea salt, and 25 grams of unsalted butter. Using your hands, gently knead the dough for 10 minutes. Slap it against the countertop and fold it. Place the smooth dough in a bowl and let it rest in the fridge for 10 minutes. After resting, make the first fold by gently pulling an edge and stretching it over itself. Place the dough in the bowl plastic, wrap it in the fridge for 10 more minutes. Repeat one more time, fold all around, then place the dough in a bowl. After resting for 25 minutes, we will roll the dough into a 7-inch by 7-inch square. Place the dough on the wax paper, then fold paper to 7-inch by 7-inch and sort of gently roll your dough into those edges and rest for 12 hours. On day 2, let's make 4-inch by 4-inch butter block. After placing butter, fold paper to 4-inch by 4-inch. Now pull the dough out of the fridge. Lightly flour and roll the dough into rectangle. Place butter diagonally, fold dough edges, and stretch and fold until the butter is enclosed. Roll the dough into a 18-inch long rectangle. Fold it over and wrap it in plastic wrap. Now we're ready for a second final rolling. We are going to roll this into a 18-inch long skinny and fold it to square, then rest in the fridge for 1 hour up to 12 hours. On day 3, you're going to roll it until it's about 10 inches wide. "10 inches wide and 1/4 of an inch thick. The length doesn't matter." Now you're ready to shape the croissants. Make marks at top and bottom and shape the croissant shape. You're going to very tightly roll them up. Before proofing, you're going to brush the top with egg wash, which is 1 whole egg whisked together. Proof these for 2 hours. Brush egg wash one more time and bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Enjoy your delicious homemade croissants. Thanks for joining today.